What exactly are you doing? And I'm talking to you. Yes, I'm talking to you, the sales development representative who's not staying focused, who's getting distracted easily. Please don't do that. Do yourself the favor. Give yourself just a few minutes of time to have fun with your coworkers. A few minutes of time to play around on Facebook and Instagram and check your emails inside of your cell phone and all that other bullshit. But you know that it's not about what you need to be doing. Because what you need to be doing is staying focused in order to get your paper going, in order to get the promotion going, in order to get that extra feeling of success at the end of your day, knowing that you did exactly what you wanted to do, the way that you wanted to do it. And if you're not focused, if you're distracted by all these other things coming into life, all these other things, I don't know, maybe you got in a fight with your girlfriend, maybe you, I don't know, all these distractions are coming in on you. Trust me, they are. They're coming in on me. They're coming in on everybody. And it's a fight to stay focused. But if you and I stay focused, if we both stay focused, we can progress forward. And that's exactly what we should do this year, this week, this month, today.